When people don't get out of the way. So far, the Nottingham number 17 came here, hooked and ladder.
Attention Hamilton customers, the next train to stop on track 1 will be number 6 on
I guess it doesn't stop New Jersey Transit commuters on their way to home on the fact that they're going up the stairs and across. So and the fire alarms, of course, are going off. Well, the fire alarm's still going off. People who unfortunately do not know that elevators are not supposed to go anywhere. So they've been just in the elevator. I had to tell them they can't go. Here's another train. All commuters, they took the stairs and just went over. So that's probably not the safest possible move. Well, we're upstairs now. Very loud. Fire alarm's still going off, and here the fire department. Here. Well, the first fire truck got here. Fire alarms are, of course, still going off. And the last train just left. There's one of the alarms. See, is there a fire truck? Oh, there it is. Oh my goodness. This is the last thing I expected at the station today. Station room. I've been allowed to go in here because he's confirmed that I talked to an officer to confirm that it's all right to go. So I kind of felt like I should just record the alarms. They're all vertical strobe, Wheelock ASs, and they're very loud. So yeah, after my earache, I will be going and. Well, he said it was okay if I went over. I asked him if I could do that, and apparently the fire alarm was false, and they won't shut up. So there's the final 2 ASs at the station that I could show at least. And I hope you enjoy.